Hello guys, I'm here, Tasty Yard Meals, and today I'm going to make the dirty rice or Cajun rice. You know the Popeye's Cajun rice? I'm gonna make it my way. So we are making dirty rice today, or dirty rice. Alright, so this is what I'm going to use to make it. Chicken liver. Alright, chicken liver, that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to wash this, season it up, and fry it, and then I'll show you what I do next. Right, so we are going to make Cajun rice or dirty rice, right, my way. I'll be back. All right guys, this is the second part. Now I season the liver. I'm gonna fry them, okay? And these I'm gonna saute. These are just some onions, garlic, scallion, pepper, some chili pepper. I'm not gonna cut them. I'm gonna make, if it goes happen to fall in somebody plate, they eat it there or throw it out. I'm not gonna make this thing too spicy. Right, so after I fry it, I'm gonna saute these, and I'm gonna show you step by step what I'm doing. All right, so this is just some garlic powder. This actually the seasoning I put in there. All right, the cock flavor seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper here, and little I did do the onion powder. The package finished, so I'm throwing out trash and one of these. Alright, so this is all I put on there, powder seasoning, right, just to get it fried up. Alright, garlic powder. So this is the rice I'm using today, guys. It's just the natural fragrant jasmine rice. Is the best. Alright, so we're gonna use that rice. We're gonna so now I'm just gonna brown or fry up the liver first, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Let me put a piece of the liver in the pot. Big piece of garlic. I got it. Alright, so I'm just going to fry up a piece of garlic. It's up to you, because you can put whatever amount of garlic you like in it. I'm just frying this piece of garlic just to give my oil a bit of thing. And I did put some pickle pepper sauce or fish and meat sauce in here. Okay, that's what the brown thing was. Alright, so I'm going to take these out. I'm going to fry them up. Guys, you gotta be careful about liver pop. If any water, anything in it, you see, it pops. So you gotta be careful with liver. Alright, so we're gonna get these fry up a little bit crispy, and it will come back to you. Alright, I'll show you the next step. We'll be back. Alright guys, so see the liver, and because Popeye, I was gonna put another twist on it my way, but because the rice is smooth and you can't see Popeye's the onions and stuff, I'm gonna make it this way. So I only did one pepper, not too spicy, and I took out the rest of the chili. I put the onion, garlic and everything, and I'm gonna fry these up together. So I'm frying them up together right now, about to put them in the blender. And guys, because the pot is hot, I am going to put you on. I'll be back. I'm gonna put it in the blender and show you the next step. Alright, so this is the liver. This is the liver part. So I cooked it up. See how nice can it said we are not sure about some rice, but just said we are cooking dirty rice. So stay tuned. I'll be back. Alright guys, I have a food processor part to this, but I lazy and now forget to me have a food processor part. So see it in there? Alright, this is the liver. It's in, with the onions and stuff. Onion, garlic, scallion. Right, so I put it in here, and I'm about to just rough chop it, or rough blend. Not too fine, blender go. So guess what? Me do this. Me pulse this down and then I'm gonna put it back in the pot and show you the next step. Alright, coming up. Alright, I know it don't look so pretty, I know. Alright, so this is the liver. I blend it out, smooth it out. Alright, and this is the white look pan is coconut. So me add water to this, make it boil up while I wash the rice to put it in. So me just season up it, nice it up. And I mean, Popeyes don't season up like me, but guess what, guys? Me have to season my food because me a Jamaican and me love my food have taste. So I'm gonna add some water. This is some coconut me add to it, some coconut milk. And me have a water and I blender right here. So when me I go add to it. And oh girl, girl, you're making a mess. So yeah, I'll be back. So this is the next step, and then I'm gonna wash my jasmine rice and get back. Alright guys, this is it. You see it's almost done. It's steaming down. And put my butter in, and remember I tell you I wasn't gonna bust some of the peppers. So those are what they're showing. Alright, so this is the dirty rice. Alright, so liver, dirty rice, my way. Alright, so it's almost there. We're just going to let it go on a bit more. This is pepper. Although me say me not spicy up, me like to see pepper in it, cause and they always say cool love pepper, so me grow up with it, you get me? So me love the pepper business. Me love the seasoning, I love the pepper. So I'm gonna let it steam a little bit more. I'm gonna put a little bit more butter in it, guys. See, dirty rice. Except Popeyes not put so much thing there in for them. They scatter it, so mine's a sure. So dirty rice. It look dirty, not true. I'll be back. All right, guys. This is the tasty yard meal style of dirty rice, right, with liver. All right, I just put a little butter yesterday, a little white something in there, butter and milk to make it buttery and nice, so I put a little more butter in there. All right, so this is my version of dirty rice, or Cajun rice if you know it by that name, right? But me like the dirty rice business. So even when we go to Popeyes, guys, me they still ask the dirty rice. They don't make it no more, right? So I figure I'll show you guys how to make dirty rice. And this is it, right? Liver. You can use whichever meat you want. You can use beef and ground it up, ground beef, turkey, any which way you want. Ground pork, anything you want, you can use it. But I use the chicken liver, all right? So dirty rice, chicken liver. This is it. Guys, again, if you like, please like, share, and subscribe. It won't cost you a thing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.